Hi, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be weighing powders on a electronic scale. So I have this powder, and then the weight. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be weighing powders with an electronic scale. I already said that. Okay, so let's get into it. So we're going to put our gloves on first. And then we're going to clean off everything with an alcohol pad. So our weigh, our spatula, and our TARE bolts and stuff. So I'm gonna grab this thing. So we're gonna clean off spatula. I'm gonna clean off the weight. Okay. Make sure that's good and clean. And clean this thing out. These. And voila, we are good to go. Okay. We have to let everything dry for a couple of seconds. And then we have to calculate the minimum and maximum weight allowed of a 10% margin. So our weighs is 5 milligrams, 5 grams and 14 grams. That is what we're supposed to be weighing. So we're going to perform the TARE adjustment. So I'm going to turn it on, put this thing on here, then push the T button so that it can go back to 0. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what that looks like. So 0. Remember, our weighs, our calculations are the minimum and maximum weight over 10% margin. So 5 grams today and 14 grams today. So I gotta make sure that this thing is clear. Okay, so I grabbed my spatula and my powder. Okay, and then I began to put it inside of this thing. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what that looks like. So it's supposed to be 5.1. So that's exactly how it's supposed to look like. Got a paper towel because it's So cleaned our spatula, cleaned the weigh. Now we're gonna clean our weight. We cleaned the weighing scale, digital weighing scale. Now we're gonna clean our weighing boat. I always feel like this thing is gonna like rip. Okay, so start cleaning this thing. Oh, I did not get all the powder out. Okay. Okay. So next will be, we did 5 milligrams. So no, why do I keep saying milligrams? We did 5 grams. Now it's 14 grams. And remember, it is the minimum and maximum weight allowed with a 10% margin of error. So remember, you have to calculate your calculations before you begin to weigh and do that process. So let's begin. I'm going to put my gloves on. And so if you noticed that I was using this is for the big, the bigger weights, the bigger grams. And then this is for the smaller grams. So just to get that out there, I don't think it really matters, but this is educational purposes only. But in reality, when you actually are really, really doing this, it really matters a lot. So it's so important. So, but I'm going to just continue using this because I am working on 14 grams now. So let's clean all this stuff down first. Put my gloves on. Okay. I feel like you just can't see me at all. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Just cleaning all this stuff. Make sure. Okay. Cleaning it. Make sure this is all clean. All right. I'm gonna make sure that it dries before we begin to do our work. So got the powder here, spatula, the weight, and then our TARE boat. So I'm gonna cut this on. I'm gonna make sure that it's at 0. And how we do that again is we put this on here. And then we push T. Okay. So it should be set to 0 now. So that's how it should look right there. So let's move this out the way. So let's take our spatula and then this. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna have to take some of this off because it's way too much. So that is our, and then it wants to move. So that's how that will look. So we're gonna put all this stuff back in here. And then we're going to re-clean off everything. And there you have it. Weighing powders on an electronic scale. So grab some more of these. Okay, put this top on there. I'm cleaning the spatula off. I'm just so messy with this stuff. It's so bad. Okay. All right. Clean this stuff off. Make sure there's nothing on here. Okay. Well, I'm getting it everywhere. Oh my goodness. This is not okay. Okay, so I basically didn't really get all of it out, but